Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Toju and you're watching TM Creatives. Boom. So welcome back again guys. It's been months since my last content from TM Creatives, and that's because I have been focusing on my other channel for a while, and I've built it up. For those who don't know my other channel, check out TMS Gaming on YouTube, and you should see an account with over 1,000 subscribers. So that's me. Welcome back to TM Creatives guys. It's been a while. Today we're going to be looking at, I know things are getting really futuristic, and I thought it's better for me to come up with an idea on a content on how. So this is the title is using AI to generate images for your graphic design task or for your graphic design projects. So we know how limited it is for us to get actual images. So sometimes we want to mix one or two things together, and we don't have the time to start drawing as designers or start trying to come up with this thing from scratch. So it's better to AI is here to change that. AI has enabled us to be able to generate images of our choice using the right prompts, and that's what we're going to be doing. And today we're going to be looking at Peter. I want to do something of Battle of the Titans, like Peter Griffin and Homer Simpsons. That's Homer Simpsons from The Simpsons and Peter Griffin from Family Guy. That's my idea today, and um, I feel like this might just open doors. I mean, whoever that's going to watch this video, I'm sure you're going to learn a thing or two on how to utilize AI for your graphic design task, for your graphic design work. You can still use AI and still be creative at the same time. You understand? So this whole talk about AI will take away jobs and stuff. No, it's not going to happen. People that will still be left with jobs are those who utilize AI, in their day-to-day lives, how to actually use it. Some people don't know how to use it, and that's why I'm going to do this video. So stick with me as we learn this. Here's my screen, guys. So today we'll be learning this. We'll be learning how to create this. So like I said, the main purpose of this tutorial session is to know how to utilize AI, right, to generate stock images for your design. It's not like AI will generate the design for you. Your creativity is your own. No one can take it from you. But what you use in your process, that's what matters. So this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be generating a poster or a design like this. So just to make sure that I carry you guys along, I'll be starting a new project, right? So let's start a new project. For those who are familiar with the tools, you can also check my previous videos on understanding Affinity Design and how to install it. It's not a problem. Then so start by pressing Ctrl N, right? Then we'll go to regular creating of social media post. That's 1080 by 1080 pixels. So we are here now, right? This is a blank slate, so we've not done anything yet. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to ChatGPT, right? So we go to ChatGPT here and we type in and we put in our prompt. So I've saved the prompt somewhere here. Where is the prompt? Okay, yeah, I've saved the prompt here. So generate a 3D realistic image of Homer from Simpsons and Peter from Family Guy. Then we're going to put in some other things like the size. Normally if you are generating images from ChatGPT, it just gives you like in a straight form. It does not give you landscape. It gives you portrait, and in portrait it might hide some contents that we need to show in landscape, right? So we're going to first come here and tell it provide it as a 16 by 9 ratio, 19 by 1080 px. So this is what I'm going to tell you. So we're going to just press enter. Hopefully it gives us something. It might take a while depending on your internet speed, I guess. So it's generating. We just have to wait for it to finish generating. And while we do that, I feel AI has really changed a lot of things. Has really changed a lot of things in terms of graphic design and every area of tech, basically. Before we have to go to look for a way to download stock images, and some of these stock images always have like maybe watermarks here and there, and even sometimes when we manage to download these images, they are not as clear and sharp as the way it's supposed to be, right? So this AI generation has really come into place, and it has really made things easier for designers. People think that AI will take away their jobs, but that's not the case. AI is not there to take away your jobs. It's just for those. It only takes the jobs for those who don't know how to use it. Just because AI generates images does not mean that it will be perfect in graphic design. You understand? Graphic design still has to do with your thinking, your creativity. Everything about you still belongs to you. It's only the process in which you use the AI that matters. That's where I'm going to. So, it's generated the image, so we have to wait a bit, right? We have to wait. I think the reason why it takes so much time is because there's a lot of entities in place, right? A lot of properties in place. So it's not going to give us the same image as we did before. Definitely it won't give us the same image, but this is fine. But it's not giving us in they look so weird. It's not giving us in what they call it, in 1080p. So what we're going to do now is provide in a 16, I think it's 16:9 ratio view full image and make it only 3D artwork. So let's do this, because I mean they are looking too bold. They're looking too bold. I mean, look at the Simpsons, like his eyes wants to come out from his socket. Okay, so I mean, definitely a lot of people are using the image, are using the feature. So, and this is nice, but I feel it's too. I mean, if it could give us like in a landscape view, I think it did not pick up that prompt that we needed. So we are going to give it back again and tell it to give us something better. So let's see. So it said we'll notify you when the image is ready. Sometimes I just need to refresh the page after some minutes, and I think I should have the image by then. So yeah, let's see. If it takes so much time, I'll just use the image I have to explain what I need to do. Understand? But I'm hoping it's going to give us the right image that we need. So yeah, that's just it for me. AI is going to is really going to change a lot of things, and I feel like we're already scratching the surface of what AI has to like give. We're already scratching the surface. We've not gotten deep into this yet, and trust me, we are getting deeper. I know there are AIs for different things nowadays. AIs for data analytics, AI for UI UX, AI for images, and AI for even video. Some people have gone the extra mile, and they know the right prompts to give AI to give a very nice movie or scenario or something. It's crazy. So it's generating. Maybe I should refresh the page and see whether it will give me something. Still giving me. Grab. Okay, I'll just say I need image in full ratio. Is it 19 It should be 16 by no 9 16 16 let us say 1920 times 1080 px. Let's see what it has. I don't want to exhaust the amount of this thing I need to use. So if it does not really give us a landscape, it's okay. We can just continue what we have here. Let me just save this just in case. So maybe we can use this. But I'm hoping it gives us something better. I'm hoping so. It was really consistent in the view, so I'm hoping it gives us something. Still processing. So let us wait for some minutes, guys. I mean, I'm okay using this, so let's just start, right? So let's bring in our image. Right. So now normally I would have preferred to get like the full table or something, but it's okay. So what we'll just do here is we are going to extract this tool from the image. Right, so where is it? Select tool. I mean, you see how sharp the images are. I mean, and this is a stock image, you know. It's not like, and this is a really good stock image of what we need actually. I mean, stock images are just images that, you know, that somehow describe whatever it is you are looking for. You know, you should be able to find the right image for what you need it for. You know, a guy carrying a jet or something. You know, you can just come up with different prompts for it. So let's extract this out. Oh, sorry, I forgot this other arm. This other arm here, okay. I mean, Family Guy is my favorite. I feel like I prefer Family Guy. I mean, Simpson is nice, and all, but I just prefer Family Guy. You guys can tell me which one you prefer. So, I mean, we've gotten our image out. So we need to give these guys a background now, right? I really wish it came out well, but I mean, we can still do something here with this. So we can do it like this, but I feel like it's hiding the entire thing. But not a problem, actually, not a problem. So we can do this. The reason is that our text might not be able to like enter. Let's check out the image and see whether it has finished. Oh, it has. Oh, nice. Yeah, this is better. I think this is better. So let's go ahead and extract this instead. Let's take this. I mean, it's better, yeah. So let's go ahead and take this instead. So I think the only difference is that this one has reduced the quality a bit, but it's not so obvious. So let's extract this. So take out Homer from here. Okay. It's still sharp because you can see that the select tool is really picking the edges very well. So the images is not so bad. It's still sharp. So extract all of this. Remember, we use the selection brush tool, which you can find under Pixel Persona. So please don't forget that if you've not really watched any of my videos, you know, I have videos that shows how to do all of this. So because by the time I'm doing this video, I expect that you would have watched my videos, right? So let's do this. Extract. Oh, sorry, I forgot to. I need to clean the edges properly. Okay. Let's see. So. see how it looks now. Okay, better now. I think this is better. So I don't want to use this white background, right? So what we can do now is come here. Let's give this a different background. So I want to give it a gradient of brownish kind of. Where is it? So brownish. Okay, I think this color is fine. I'll just add some noise into it. Make some noise, guys. Make some noise. Alright. Then I give them a form of aura. You know, you can see a form of aura in their body. Right, so you just come here. Where is it? And they still look so. I need this thing to be sent. So I want to do a trick here. So here's the trick. This is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to duplicate this, turn this the other way. I can't turn it the other way. What's going on? Okay, I have to just do it manually. Turn it the other way. What's going on? I'm trying to. It's not allowing me to invert. Okay. For some reason I can. Okay, I got it. So I just needed to do that. So what I'm trying to do here is complete the background. So I want to give Homer this back stuff at the artist behind here. So I've added that. So now next thing I want to do is take away Peter Griffin from the list. So to just do that, I will just erase him out, to be honest. That's the point of illusions. So I'll just erase him out from here. You can do the same for, because I know Homer will be at this corner as well. So let's take him away from there. We only need the stuff at the back here, so it looks like both of them sides are equal, you know. So if I do something like this, now I've copied both of them, so you can see now they are both together. So you can safely just do something like this. Yeah, so this is perfect now. So the next thing to do, I don't know if I've gotten the colors well the way I want it to be. Let's come here, let's check. Yeah, it's not bad like this. I mean, I was just trying to see colors that match them. You can always pick whatever colors you want, because we're still going to do some things here. So now I've done this, so like I said, let's give them that glow. But I don't think I need to put too much glow, and that's because of the fact that the background I'm using is a bit what's going on? Where is the what's going on? Where is, for some reason what I was looking for is not coming up. I don't know why. Okay, never mind then. Alright, so the next one we're going to do is come here. Now what I did for that other image, right, I took, if you notice the background here, I kept their own city. So this Quahog, you can see that this is Quahog over here at the right side, and this is Springfield at the left, because that's where Homer is from, and Quahog is where Peter is from as well. So I was trying to, you know, just give the idea of the concept, so I'm just going to bring it here as well. So Quahog Mall, I mean, I just picked popular landscapes. Then what we're going to do now is fade this. First we're going to give it like a blending option. So whatever blending option that you feel that suits you, take it to the back, come to transparency to before that I want everything to show, so we're still going to do some tricks here as well. So this is the full image of Korg, right? So next what we're going to do is take our transparency tool, drag this here all the way here. Then now I've done, I just go to fade the borders. Where is the eraser tool? Which is the eraser tool a bit? Fade the borders a bit here, so it just makes sense. So we've done this for Korg. Now we're going to do the same for Springfield. So we are going to bring the image of Springfield. You can always find the image online. I mean, I don't think there's any problem there, but I'll also provide like maybe like a file where you can get it from, you know. So this one I'm focusing, I can't focus on Springfield because I mean if I invert it, it might not look so good. So I'm going to focus on the what they call that, with the active factory that is in Springfield, because I know that's a popular landscape in the cartoon. So just going to put this as well. So you can see it's blending. So we'll use the transparency tool as well, so it does not over blend with the core one. So you see, just take it like this. So as you can see, we're almost done here. So I don't know, for some reason I don't know why what I was waiting for was not coming up. Oh wait, what has happened? Okay, so there's another way we can get. Okay, so this is better. So we'll then come here and pick outer glow. Outer glow, we'll just give this, let us give them like a form of aura. Alright, so a form of aura. I think it's just doing it for one image. Sorry, let me just try. I think it's just doing it for one image. We didn't group this together, so let's group them. So we can now do it for both. So outer glow, just increase this. You just to give a form of aura to make it much more dramatic, I guess. So I want to sharpen the images as well, so we can come here. I hope it doesn't mess up with it doesn't rasterize it, but let's just sharpen. Okay, it rasterized it a bit, so it's okay, still okay. Just want to sharpen it a bit. Okay, now that we have done that, so it's time for us to now put in the text. So text also matters in your design, right? So for me, I'll just pick this Battle of the Titans. So whatever you want to name it, so Battle of the Titans, you can make this, you can try different colors to see how it comes out. So you can do Battle of the Titans like this, or you know what you can do else again is just use the outline. So you can also use outline Battle of the Titans like this. If you give this black, it might still look nice. So but now I think I'll just stick with it like this, right? Maybe make this one black or something. So then we put in the texts. So as you can see, white does not really go in yellow in this kind of color, so I might just have to change this to black and maybe make it bold a bit. Then make this one, no, does not go. What color suits this? Well, you can use any color you want, but I think I will just go with this black. So Titans, I wanted it to stand out, so that's what I'm doing like this. Then we put in our Homer Simpsons and Peter Griffin text. You can always do this, man. You can always do this from your own end now, because I already have it here. That's why I'm just doing it. So you can make this black, right? You can just have white and black kind of feeling, you know. This one we can make it
Let's make it black. Let us stress ourselves. So voila, we have this. So this is it, guys. This is all you have to do. So remember, generate your images first, know the right prompts to use. When you do that, extract it, use it for your design. As you can see, this is the design already, right? I didn't really do too much. Use your design here already. But definitely there are other complex kind of design you can actually use your images for, So don't forget to save this. So we're going to go to export and save this. So let's save it. I'm just going to call this lol. I'm just calling it lol basically. So we can display it for it to give it much more this thing. We can just display it here. So look for lol, put it here, then just take it down like this a bit. So there you have it, guys. Hope we're able to learn a few things from this, and I feel like I'm going to do more videos on how to utilize AI for your design work basically. So it is it's done already, guys. So officially you've used AI to create something amazing. Congrats to yourself. Clap for yourselves. Stay tuned in the next class, guys. See you in the next one, guys. Peace out. And there you have it, guys. Hope we're able to learn a thing or two from today's class. As we had a brief breakdown of what we did, like we mentioned in the earlier times of the video, was to come up with a design, that has to do with Simpsons and Family Guy, using AI to bring them together and use them for your design. And that's what we've been able to achieve today, guys. And I hope you gain a thing or two on your design techniques in this class. So stay tuned for the next one, guys, and I'm sure you're going to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye, guys.